Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Adam Olivier with your Atmos Center forecast, and after a really nice week that we've been having with warm temperatures and clear skies, great beach weather if you've been able to get out to the beach, we're going to see our rain chances return to the region. These aren't going to be the storms like last week where they dump 8 inches of rain, but some of them have the possibility to be strong, but there will be many sunny breaks between them. Also, along with these storms, we are going to start feeling that summer-like feel. It is still spring technically, but we are right around the corner from summertime. So the air mass is really starting to warm up and moisten up, so it is going to start feeling muggy and humid, and just get used to it because we have a lot of months ahead to deal with this type of weather. As we look at your current temperatures, you can see many areas along the coast are already pushing the 80-degree mark, including here in Mobile, but you can clearly see that there's a front moving through the region with 64 degrees in Jackson and even 55 in Little Rock. This cold front is going to start moving through the area to provide us a little extra enhancement for some of that rainfall that we'll see as we head through today and into the weekend. Now locally you can see many regions are starting to push that 80-degree mark, although Lucedale is kind of the cool spot at 74 degrees. But we will start to see our temperatures really get into the mid-80s for our afternoon highs as we go throughout the rest of today. But along with these warm temperatures, those temperatures are going to provide a little fuel for some storms to develop. That's why the Storm Prediction Center, SPC, has introduced a marginal risk for the Mobile area today. That just means that we have the chance of some storms producing some large hail and damaging winds. The greatest chance today will be back into Louisiana, well, South Louisiana, around the New Orleans area, where they have a really great chance of seeing those stronger storms as we head throughout the rest of today. Tomorrow, though, this severe weather risk expands all the way through the middle of the country, even including Mobile. So we're going to have to keep an eye to the sky as we head through the day tomorrow. Just make sure you have your cell phones programmed for those severe weather warnings in case one is issued. Just stay weather ready if you're headed out to the beach. Overall, it shouldn't be a complete washout, but there is that chance that we could see some of those stronger storms. Now, as we look at radar currently, you can see that we do have some showers offshore, even some storms way offshore. And all this does seem to try to push a little northward, but it is kind of dying out. We'll have to keep an eye to the radar to see if any storms really do redevelop inland as we head throughout the rest of today. But overall, we don't really have a great risk of rain as we head throughout the rest of today. As you can see on our future view, we have this cold front that's going to move through and stall out across the region. Back into Louisiana, you can see those strong storms starting to really develop as we head throughout the evening hours today. And then this cold front's going to try and move offshore, but it's going to kind of park itself right along the coast. And that's going to be the focal point for all this rain to start moving through the region as we head through the day tomorrow and even into Saturday. That risk for strong storms producing large hail and damaging winds really increases as we head through Saturday. But even tomorrow we have that risk for those stronger storms. So as we go through our day planner, 80 degrees around noontime. Some of us have already reached that, so this is a little off on those temperatures. But as we head through 3 p.m., you can see that our temperatures are really going to start increasing into the middle 80s for our highs today. So it's going to be warm and humid. Wear some sunscreen if you're headed outside to go to the beach or anywhere, really. It's going to be bright sunshine, and those UV rays are really going to start affecting us today. But as we go through the evening hours, 81 degrees as we head through the 6 p.m. Time frame if you're headed out to eat anywhere. So it's still going to be a warm, muggy night. So if you're headed to the baseball game tomorrow, we're really going to have to keep an eye to the sky for this game because we will see that chance of rain really start moving through the area as we go through tomorrow evening. Some of these storms that will be around could be severe, so just have your umbrella ready and be prepared to move to a safe place in case there is a severe storm around if you're headed to Stanky Field. So for tonight, you can see our temperatures will be around 62 and a passing shower, and some cannot be ruled out. Some clouds will also be in the forecast for tonight. It's going to be kind of one of those typical muggy nights. Tomorrow is a greater chance of rain, 82 degrees as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Just be weather ready in case we do see some of those stronger storms. As we go through your 7-day forecast, you can see that Friday and Saturday we have the greatest chance of rain. Saturday, really, we have to watch the weather because we could see a lot of storms really starting to stall out as they move through our area. Sunday, look at that temperature, 86 degrees. Some areas could push the 90-degree mark for the first time this year. So we're really starting to feel like summer as we go through the weekend. And then next week, the cold front finally pushes through, drying us out and actually cooling us off a little bit to where it's going to feel a little cool outside. A little taste of fall before we get back into that summertime pattern. Thanks for watching your Atmos Center forecast. I'm meteorologist Adam Olivier.